Good morning students, I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking math subject for LKG class. Children, our today's topic is heavy and light. Objects based on their weight can be divided into two categories, heavy and light. Do you know children? Objects that have more weight is called heavy objects, but the objects have lesser weight are called light objects. Heavy and light. Do you know that different objects have different weights? Can you see this picture? This one is coconut. This one is coconut. It is very heavy and not able to hold it, and this one is orange. It is very light. Coconut is heavy and the orange is light in weight. A bus is heavy because the size of bus is bigger than the size of car. So car is light and bus is heavy. Next one. A passenger ship is heavy and a bicycle is light. A aeroplane is heavy, whereas a hot air balloon is light. Scooter is heavy, whereas a scooty is light, because the weight of scooty is lesser than the weight of scooter. Now next one. The football is heavy and the tennis ball is light, because the weight of tennis ball is lesser and the football weight is more than tennis ball. So football is heavy and tennis ball is light. Now children, see in your test book. Open the page number 123. Here we have some images. First one image is elephant and mouse. Elephant is big in size and mouse is small in size. So elephant is heavy and the mouse is light, because the weight of mouse is less and the elephant weight is more. Next, second one. Bags of rice. Here 100 kg and here 10 kg. So 10 kg is more or 100 kg is more? Tell me children. Yes, 100 kg is more. So the 100 kg bag is heavy and the 10 kg bag is light. See the next picture. Here you have two books. One is small in size and one is big in size. This book size is bigger than this book. See, you can identify this book size is small and this book have lots of pages. So this book is heavy and this book is light. See, in our last picture, here you have a jackfruit and mango. The jackfruit size is big and the mango size is small. So mango is light fruit and jackfruit is heavy fruit. I think children, all of you understood the difference between heavy and light. Now children, take your today's homework. Your today's homework is on page number 124. Tick, right mark the objects that is heavy in each set. See here you have 3 set of pictures. First one is one empty bucket and one full of water bucket. Here 2 boxes. One is made up of wood and one is made up of paper. Here 2 men are there. One is fat in size and one is slim in size. So you have to take the heavy one. In these pictures you have to take heavy one and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.